Check out this Kia 2018 Forte LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 147 horsepower, 2.0L-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage and clock in dash. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.